The University of Benin presents Maiden Registry Lecture. Theme: University Community Engagement, Perspective from the Nigerian Society and Media. The event will also feature special recognitions, awards, and unveiling of a book on administrative practices. Guest lecturer Babajide Kolade Otitoju. Director Current Affairs, TVC News. Book reviewer Professor KIT Eniola. Vice Chancellor Kogi State University Kaba. Date: Thursday 15th of May 2025. Venue: Akindeko Auditorium, Ugbo Campus, University of Benin, Benin City. Time: 11 a.m. prompt. Chief host Professor Edoba Bright Omoegi, SAN, Vice Chancellor, University of Benin. Host Ademola Bobola, Registrar. Signed, Harris Osae, Chairman, Planning Committee.